Welcome to AIHost, the first ever hosting service that has AI building integrated in it. Now, the first problem you always have when you buy hosting is that you're immediately overwhelmed with all of the options that you have. With AIHost, you have everything explained for you, together with our integrated training and integrated support, as well as this very simple to understand menu. You have full access over your domain, which includes emails. You can create more domains, as many domains as you want. You have your own FTP access, your own databases, your own cron jobs. You can do anything you want, including giving access to sub-accounts, sub-users, and giving them access to have their own domains, sell that access to them. So your account is yours to manage. We also give you access to backups, so you can never lose your own data and your own data stays with you. You have access to statistics, so you can see what is happening on your website, what's being used, what isn't being used, so you can have a proper control over what is happening with your website. On top of that, you have access to our file manager that lets you manage your own files in a very customized way. You can access all of them here, create folders, upload as many files as you want, and use that for your websites, for your apps, for your code, or for whatever you decide to do with AIHost. But why is it AIHost? Where is the AI in here? And we're very excited to show that to you. We're going to go into our menu here with our partner Softaculous. That's going to send us here. Now, here we have over 250 apps ready for you to install and use. This includes very big names like WordPress, SitePad, Serendipity, .clear, but also smaller apps like Joomla, Concrete CMS, all of them battle-hardened and trial-tested for you to just install and use. And there's so many different categories for you to check out, for you to use, for you to install with just a single click. All of these nowadays have AI integrated in them. So WordPress now has AI helpers ready for them to help you. Serendipity, SitePad also have AI website builders. But through AIHost, you also have access to Code with AI right here. In here, the AI has access to all of your files inside the file manager that I've just shown you. With this, you can ask the AI to write files, create websites, create apps, and it works live with you. So if you tell it to do something, you can check your domain in real time and you can see what it does. As I said, it can read all of your files, it can tell you in depth what you have, what it does, and it can also create files for you. So right now it correctly guessed my main homepage here, and we can ask him to modify it or to create something else. So for example, let's go with a and done. In just a couple of seconds, it creates this amazing coming soon page that we've asked for and that we can see live on our website. And it integrated things that I didn't ask for example, this email thing here. So you can chat with it and you can have it either delete that, add that, or you can have it completely integrated with whatever setup you have. So with AIHost, you have both the hosting and the AI integrated in it, so the AI can help you build whatever you need. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.